Today, we are diving headfirst into the world of delicious homemade donuts. You know, the kind that leaves your kitchen smelling like a bakery and your taste buds doing a happy dance. I am Hannah, your host from Blogging Good Food. But before we get started, don't forget to check out our website, blogginggoodfood.com. We are always putting kitchen gadgets to the test and sharing mouth-watering recipes that are tried and true. We have two fantastic methods to help you create these delectable treats right in your own kitchen. And the best part, you don't need any fancy gadgets. Method 1. First up, let's talk about making donuts without yeast. This method is perfect when you are in a hurry and you don't have time for the dough to rise. Here's what you will need: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1/2 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's get cooking. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and that pinch of salt. Step 2. In a separate bowl, combine your milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Mix it up until it's well blended. Now here comes the fun part. Step 3. Pour your wet ingredients into the dry ones. Mix everything up until it forms a nice, soft dough. Step 4. Roll out the dough on a floored surface until it's about half an inch thick. Time to bring out your tasty donut cutter or a glass to make those classic donut shapes. Step 5. Heat some oil in a pan, about an inch deep, and carefully slide in your donuts. Fry them until they are golden brown on each side. And there you have it, folks. Homemade donuts that are fluffy, sweet, and oh so delicious. You can top these beauties with powdered sugar, chocolate glaze, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon and sugar. Get creative. Method 2. Now for those of you without an oven, or if you just want to mix things up, let's talk about method number 2. Making donuts without an oven. Here's what you will need. Ingredients are the same as in method 1, so no need to panic, folks. Step 1. In a bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and that tiny pinch of salt. Step 2. In another bowl, combine your milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Mix it up until it's well combined. Step 3. Just like in method 1, you will pour your wet ingredients into the dry ones. Mix it up until it forms a soft dough. Step 4. Get creative with your donut shapes. Try making smaller donut holes or unique shapes using cookie cutters. Step 5. Instead of frying, we are going to pan toast these donuts. Grab a non-stick pan, heat it up, and drop your donuts in there. Flip them over when they are golden brown on one side. It's that easy. These stove-top donuts are just as delicious as the oven-baked ones. Top them with your favorite glaze, powdered sugar, or even some strawberry jam. The possibilities are endless, presenting two fantastic methods for crafting homemade donuts. Whether you opt for no yeast or eggs or no oven, we have got you sorted. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and share this video with your fellow donut enthusiasts.